Dr. Namrata here. As we all know that this is a bad pandemic phase we all are facing, and India especially is in a real bad condition, and we must blame ourselves for this. We took it for granted. As Indians, I request now all of us, we can do a lot to settle India and make it better, and we all can play a role of soldiers now to save our country from this disaster and avoid further deterioration. So how do we do all this? I'm just going to highlight certain points which I really want you all to follow. Firstly, let me tell you, the disease COVID-19 per se is killing people. I don't deny that. But then most of the people who are dying are also dying of psychosis, depression, anxiety and panic, which is killing more and more people. So here is the role of all of us who can help in bringing each other's spirits high. How do we do that? Firstly, let me tell you, let's all maintain the protocols which has to be followed. That is taking care of ourselves by wearing masks regularly, washing hands regularly and maintaining the social distance. At the same time, avoid gatherings and functions. Please understand this. This is the need of the hour. Irrespective of whether it is political, religious or whatever, avoid gathering for few days and please follow the protocol so that we all are not a burden on the system. Right now, we have to become responsible citizens of India. We have to maintain the protocols properly, irrespective of whether the politicians or the rules and regulations are being installed. We have to make it do it ourselves. Now we have to get really serious on this. Secondly, I am seeing that there are lots of senior citizen or aged patients who are really getting psychologically depressed, and I am seeing that they are losing hope day by day, irrespective of whether they are affected by COVID-19 or not. This is happening even with the homemakers, with the children, with the students and with everybody possible. The reason being is that everybody has that apprehension and anxiety, and I know we all are fed up of this COVID, but then we all have to win it together. My request to you guys, please talk to your parents daily wherever they are. Talk to them with such a beauty that they should feel the life instilled in them. They should be inspired. They should be assured that we all are there for them. Daily do a video call for your parents if they are far away, and if they are with you guys, nothing like it. Just keep them going on. The aged and senior citizen patients, they are the ones who really want your help and love in today's world. Secondly, make your children feel comfortable at home. Make them understand this is a passing phase. We all are going to go through it. Thirdly, we all have to help each other get out of this. If you have a senior citizens or neighbors who are suffering, kindly get in, helping them, making them feel better. Try to as much as possible in this by helping them. At the same time, you taking care of yourself too. So there are two things here. You got to be positive, you got to be taking care of yourself and also helping others to take care of themselves and helping them to get better. Fourthly, now we all have to work together in this phase, and at the same time we have to help each other, the countrymen, the Indians. We have to help each other without seeing any caste, creed or religion. We have to start working towards this. Otherwise, we are not going to win over this pandemic. And then we all have to support each other and keep our spirits high just to get through this particular phase of life. Let me tell you now, this is a very important thing. If you have the doctors who are working in the COVID wards or working day and night to save us, please inspire them, please appreciate them, please show gratitude towards them, keep their spirits high, support them and say that we all are with you. Doctors are really going to get mentally stressed. We all have to support them by doing a bit towards ourselves and supporting and showing gratitude towards the doctors. Thank you so much. I hope you all are going to maintain these protocols and follow this and keep everybody's spirits high. We are not going to lose hope in this pandemic and we are going to do the best. Thanking you so much. Jai Hind.